Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hand gestures on your Apple Watch Ultra. This incredible feature allows you to interact with your device using simple hand movements, offering a truly hands-free experience. We'll cover how to set up and utilize these intuitive gestures, making your daily interactions smoother and more accessible. Get ready to navigate your watch with just a few taps and clenches, enhancing convenience significantly. To begin, open the Settings app directly on your Apple Watch Ultra. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then locate and select Assistive Touch. Once inside, simply toggle the Assistive Touch switch to the on position. This crucial step activates the core functionality, allowing your watch to recognize and respond to your hand gestures. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments. The double tap gesture is incredibly versatile and often performs the primary action on your watch. To execute it, simply tap your index finger and thumb together twice, quickly and distinctly. This gesture can answer incoming phone calls, play or pause music, or even stop an active timer. It's designed for quick, one-handed interactions, making common tasks effortless and efficient throughout your day. Beyond double tap, you can explore and customize other advanced gestures like clench and pinch. A single clench might scroll through notifications, while a double clench could open a specific app. You can personalize these actions within the Assistive Touch settings, assigning different functions to suit your needs. Experiment with sensitivity levels to find what feels most natural and responsive for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.